Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Chandra Halim Saptarpade. I'm from 12 Science 1. Today, I want to show you how to make scrambled egg. First of all, you need the ingredients. 2 egg, coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. Okay, let's go.
Okay, first, crack the eggs into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt. Whisk until all well blended. Second, in a frying pan, add coconut oil. Third, pour the eggs and for around 20 seconds. Do not stir it. Then, fold the eggs to the center and stir with spatula. After that, remove eggs from heat and continue to fold and stir the eggs for around a minute. Finally, remove the eggs from the pan, serve on a plate, and the scrambled eggs are ready to eat.
It's delicious. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.